Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Monday weather update brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. Well, we've seen a few thunderstorms and there may still be a few more across Monday afternoon. It's produced by this area of rain, the spring front that came through over Sunday and Monday, producing Mother Nature's own fireworks. A couple of thunderstorms around the North Island, and some also down here on the west coast. Gradually clears over the next 24 hours and we'll just linger around the North Island's east coast into Tuesday morning for a time. Now when you look at the wind maps, you can see that front quite clearly there, but also look at this westerly change that's coming in behind it, and that's really the theme for the next couple of days. Westerlies coming right through. There is a high just here though, and as that tracks across along like this, it's going to feed in a warmer airflow for the North Island. So let me explain it. Tuesday is actually a little bit of a cooler day. Places like Hawke's Bay, which were into the mid-20s the other day, you're back to the low 20s, maybe even the late teens, bit of a temperature drop of about 8 degrees. As this light southerly comes in around you, it's more of a southwesterly for other areas in the north. Mainly dry for Tuesday in the North Island. The east coast though does have some rain lingering around Gisborne, showers into Hawke's Bay, but it should be dry for Waited Upper. Dry for the South Island, but unlike the southerly that's coming in there, you've got more of a nor'easter. So a nor'easter comes down the coastline, and in fact it's a little bit more of a nor'wester around Southland, so it's not cold. Temperatures, most of these regions, temperatures are in the late teens or low 20s. Rain coming in for Fiordland and Southwestland, with maybe a couple of showers later on around Northwestland. Now to Wednesday, here's that high, and of course anticyclonic wind. So it's the subtropical reach coming down next to Australia, and then it comes down across New Zealand as a nor'wester, which is already a warm wind flow. So places along the east coast here, which dropped to around 18 degrees on Monday maybe, could be as high as 27 or 28 degrees by Wednesday. It's a 10-degree jump back up again. So yes, there's a heat wave going on in Aussie at the moment, highs up into the mid-30s. We're not getting to that, but we could be getting closer to 30 degrees on Wednesday around this eastern side. And we'll give you Thursday too, where there's no change. The North Island's just as hot, 27, 28 degrees possibly around Hawke's Bay, and it'll be warm obviously in Gisborne and Waited Upper, Bay of Plenty, all those eastern areas. Northern areas are pretty warm. The South Island, not quite as warm. You've got a lot of cloud around and some downpours lingering on the west coast. There will be some spillover. We hope it's a lot for Canterbury. There's an easterly on this side which will help it. So it's a bit of a funny setup. We'll keep a close eye on Thursday. We'll update you again tomorrow with how that's shaping up for our drought region of Canterbury. Don't forget, for the 10-minute long 10-day forecast, we go into a lot more detail than this. You can go to Sky Channel 081 for Country TV.